Good Friday evening, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson. And let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Friday night going into your Saturday morning. My throat is a bit messed up, so if I do sound different, that's why. I might also clear my throat a couple times, so I will say excuse me for that. Um, Here we have our cloud cover though. Cloud cover right now is looking pretty cloudy. It is it's probably gonna stay cloudy for pretty much most of the weekend. So sorry if that ruined some of your plans. But yes, even though the sun won't be out, it still will be relatively warm. So not really anything to worry about if you are doing any activities. And I completely forgot to look at our radar for right now. But radar right now, looking down near us, we are pretty much clear from precipitation right now. But we do have some precipitation down to our south as well, from the Gulf Coast and just to the east of us, south and east near Georgia and Florida. To the northeast though, we are having some snow up there inside of Pennsylvania, maybe even some heavy pockets. And we do have some rain on the south side as well, going through like Washington D.C., Charleston, West Virginia, places like that. We do have some scattered snow showers going through the Great Lakes region right now, as we do have some snow showers all the way over in Colorado. And as we look at the west, we do have California and most of the west coast going through some rain right now. But now let's go ahead and look at our current temperatures. Current temperatures right now are looking pretty cool, but pretty warm as well. 60 at Charleston, 58 in Columbia, 55 in Florence, 58 in Myrtle Beach, 58 in Augusta. Down to our south, 58 in Savannah, 63 in Jacksonville, 61 in Gainesville, 55 in Tallahassee. To our west, 56 in Atlanta, 57 in Birmingham, 56 in Montgomery, 46 in Huntsville, 59 in Jackson, 58 in Baton Rouge, 59 in New Orleans. And to our north, 37 in Memphis, 54 in Chattanooga, 54 in Charlotte, 51 in Raleigh, 54 in Fayetteville, 48 in Greenville, and 54 in Wilmington. Here's our minimum temperatures for tonight. I mean, look at these minimum temperatures. I mean, these are some warm minimum temperatures, especially if you're inside like the low country of South Carolina, where we could see minimum temperatures of around 56 near Charleston, 55 near Savannah. So pretty much from Charleston through Colleton, Dorchester, and all the way down to the coast or to the border of Georgia and South Carolina can see these minimum temperatures of around the low 50s. So that is something that might be a good thing. And then we also do have a good 54 over there in Myrtle Beach, 51 in Florence, 52 in Sumter, 50 in Columbia, 50 over there in the southern upstate, and 46 up there near Greenville, Spartanburg. Now we have our wind gusts to talk about. Wind gusts overall can be pretty breezy for the next 24 hours from 10 a.m. from 10 p.m. today through 10 p.m. tomorrow. Around a good 25 mile per hour wind gusts cannot be ruled out up there in the Greenville, Spartanburg. 20 miles an hour also cannot be ruled out pretty much anywhere throughout the state. So anyone has a chance tomorrow of seeing a good 20 mile per hour wind gusts tomorrow. Here's our 24-hour precipitation totals. We do have a chance to see a trace of some rain up there in the upstate of South Carolina, mainly near the mountains. But here's the radar that we can check it out. Some of the models are saying different. Some of the models are saying that those showers will get farther south into South Carolina, but some models don't, and like this one, doesn't say it is. So, I think that they are right. Potentially, there could be a chance to see a shower or two inside the upstate, but I think everyone else is fine. Now, you can come back to this video, say that I was wrong about the rain, and you can say that, I should have done better, but I just don't see the potential for rain pretty much anywhere else. except for just like the very northern upstate. We have our Storm Prediction Center outlook for tonight. We do have a TSTM. There was a marginal risk and there was some marginally severe hail that was possible for mainly portions of Arkansas and western Tennessee, but it has now gone away. And they pretty much just say instability will continue to weaken. No severe threat is expected for the remainder of the evening or overnight period. They also say as well, scattered thunderstorms are ongoing near the front. Thunderstorm development will likely continue, although gradual decrease in coverage is expected. Those dew points are going to be dropping. We talked about the severe weather triangle. Those dew points are only going to be dropping to the 40s. Remember, you need like a good 60 to get some severe weather. So that's why that's gone. Here's tomorrow's thunderstorm outlook. We do have a TSTM for California, for northwestern California and southern Florida, where if we read the discussion, it said thunderstorm potential should remain low as a high pressure dominates east of the Rockies. Pretty much just says a moist, low-level air mass and a diurnal heating should contribute to weak instability. And just reading, isolated lightning flashes appear possible with any weak convection that can develop. So pretty much just a couple of lightning flashes for these two areas, and that's about it for that. Here is Sunday's thunderstorm outlook as well. We do have a TSTM for both Florida and California again. We're pretty much just said showers and a low chance of thunderstorms in California, and potentially pretty much just some more thunderstorms are possible as well. That a few thunderstorms are possible south of the boundary over mainly the Keys as well. So some thunderstorms that we don't really have to pay too much attention to. And we do have 2 hail reports today and a wind report. So I guess those gusty winds did in fact make a damage report, and they had 2 reports of hail. So that's pretty interesting. We also have no severe weather potential as well, so that's something that we can be happy about. Here we have our day 2 excessive rainfall outlook. Excessive rainfall for right now. We do have a slight risk of excessive rainfall over there in California. In that yellow, we do have a 5%, which is that green, that marginal. And as of right now, the model right now is wanting to do this because it decided that it wanted to update right when I was about to record this. So, but I mean, nothing's happening anyway. Let me see if we can go to the Euro and see if that's updating. No, it's not. Yeah. All right. So this pretty much goes all the way forward, and I mean, just quiet weather for the next 90 hours. No severe weather. No anything like that. Here we go. The next 60 hours. Let's go ahead and move down to the southeast. Push this forward. I mean, we do have a chance for a couple of showers. See, now this is one of the models that I was talking about. So, as you can see, this shows a couple of showers for the low country of South Carolina, but the other model that we just saw was not showing that. So, again, it's really a disagreement with models if those showers will actually make it down to the eastern South Carolina to the coast because of this moisture. You see this moisture coming from the Gulf of Mexico? That's where they think it's going to come from. So, I mean, that's a lot of rain too. Like, if we go ahead and look at the total accumulated precipitation, I mean, that's a good inch or 2 of rain throughout most of Florida. So that's pretty interesting to see. But, I mean, at this point, it's just a roll of the dice. We'll see what happens tomorrow. It's going to be around the afternoon time. I'm still not sure if I'm going to make a morning video tomorrow, but again, I know for a fact I will not be here Saturday evening, so tomorrow evening, and I will not be here Sunday morning, which I don't do videos in the morning anyway, or the afternoon, so it will just be a Sunday evening, so I will be back Sunday evening, unless I get a forecast video out early tomorrow morning, I will be gone until Sunday evening. So thank y'all so much for watching this forecast video, and I'll see y'all potentially tomorrow, and if not tomorrow morning, then Sunday evening with another forecast weather update. Have a great weekend.